Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First video for 2021. Super exciting guys. We've got heaps of videos coming up on the channel, heaps of different reviews, heaps of different content on the brand new Triumph Speed Triple RS, so stay tuned for that. But today's video, where it's all about Ninja 400 versus the Ninja 650. Let's get into it. Alright guys, starting with the Ninja 400. Now this is an absolutely fantastic bike. I have ridden this bike. Unfortunately I didn't get a chance to do a proper review on this bike. But I did have about an hour and a half riding this bike around Sydney. And it's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely loved riding this bike. I think it feels like a bigger bike than it is. Awesome power, great torque. I also ridden the Z400, which is basically the same bike. Also fantastic. Love the way this bike looks, the styling of it. I think it looks like a bigger bike than it really is. When you stand next to it, it doesn't look like a little bike. It looks big, has a nice big tire on it. I believe it's a 140 rear. So it makes the bike, stand out. I love it in black. This black colour is really my pick for the bunch. Not a big fan of the other colours, but each to their own. Good strong brakes, riding position's really nice. Exhaust needs to be changed, but I think everyone who gets this bike pretty much changes it. Other than that, fantastic bike. I'm a big fan of this bike. I think it shows awesome value. 7927. What a bike. Alright, so Ninja 650. Another bike that I think shows good value, especially when you take in consideration the new 2020 model. It's got that brand new LCD dash, looks great. I wish the Ninja 400 had that. I'm sure it will soon. You can hook up your Bluetooth smartphone. It's got all the information you could ever need. It's really fantastic. Again, I haven't ridden the 2020 model, but I have ridden the 2019 model. Basically the same bike. I love it in this silver color. That's my pick. Looks fantastic. It really shows good value, this bike. Again, it's full 650. But in saying that, I think that the Ninja 400 actually shows better value. This bike's nearly 12 grand. It's a lot of money. When you consider the Ninja 400 actually does very similar things. If you look at the power here, they're actually pretty similar spec'd. There's not much in it. So my winner is the Ninja 400 here. Such a good bike for the money. I think it just shows a small capacity bike is just awesome value. It's not restricted as well for the lambs market here, which I think makes a big difference, not having a restrictor. Fantastic bike, guys. Here's your winner. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the videos. Heaps of content coming this year. Lots of cool reviews. Lots of 2021 bikes that we'll be reviewing on the channel. And also the brand new Triumph Speed Triple RS that we just got. We'll be doing lots of videos coming on that bike as well. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.